Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Sifa Nurul Aini, and today we will learn about news item text. Well, before it go to the definition, now I want to ask you, how often do you read news? Very often or seldom? Seberapa sering sih kalian ini membaca berita? And how can you get the news from the broadcast media, print media, or the internet? Broadcast media is radio or television, print media, newspaper, magazine, or journal, and the internet, blog, social media, like a simple Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Okay, next, definition of news item text. News item text is a text that tell an information of event or newsworthy event of the day. Social function, to tell the information of important event or newsworthy event of the day. Generic structure of the item text. Number 1 is headline, the title of the news. Number 2, newsworthy event. It's a part of text which tell about the main idea or the main topic of the text. Number 3, elaboration. It is part of the text which tell about the background of the event. Number 4, research of information. Its content comment by participant, witness, and or the expert of the event. Nah, di bagian search ini merupakan sumber berita yang berupa pernyataan dari narasumber, komentar dari saksi, atau pendapat dari para ahlinya. Okay, every news item has to have the answer to the 5 questions: what, who, when, where, and why. What happened exactly, and who are the people and group involved in the event? When did the event take place? Where did the event take place? And last, why did it happen? Okay, next, language feature. Number 1, focusing on circumstance, using a simple language in writing the text. Number 2, using saying verbs. Examples: said, important, told, report. Number 3, sometime and the beginning of the news. The scene method, Jakarta or Kuala Lumpur. Example. Next, number 4, using past tense in explaining news item. But if it a fact that until now still happen or still the form of fact, then can ask simple present. 5, search telegraphic information about story, capture, and headline. Number 6, using adverb of time, place, and manner. Last 7, use of material process to retell the event. And yeah, this is penjelasan saya mengenai news item text. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.